Today we will read Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Once upon a time, there was a little girl. Her name was Goldilocks. Goldilocks. She has golden hairs. One day, Goldilocks was walking in the forest. She saw a house and knocked on the door. Since the door was open, she went inside. Nobody was there. Goldilocks saw three boards on the table. She was hungry. She tasted porridge from the first bowl and said, "This porridge is too hot." She tasted porridge from the second one and said, "This porridge is too cold." Then she tasted porridge from the third one and said, "This porridge is just right." She ate all the porridge from the third bowl. Goldilocks was tired now. She sat on the first chair and said, "This chair is too big." She sat on the second chair and said, "This chair is too big." Then she sat on the third chair and said, "This chair is just right." But the chair broke. Goldilocks was very tired. She went upstairs. She laid on the first bed and said, "This bed is too hard." She laid on the second bed and said, "This bed is too soft." Then she laid on the third bed and said, "This bed is just right." Goldilocks fell asleep. Soon the three bears came home. Daddy Bear said, "Someone has been eating my porridge." Mummy Bear said, Someone has been eating my porridge too. Baby Bear said, "Someone has been eating my porridge, and it is all gone." They looked at They cheered. Daddy Bear said, "Someone has been sitting on my chair." Mummy Bear said, "Someone has been sitting on my chair." Baby Bear said, "Someone has been sitting on my chair and it is broke." They went upstairs to the room. Teddy Bear said, "Someone has been sleeping in my bed." Mummy Bear said, "Someone has been sleeping in my bed too." Baby Bear said, "Someone has been sleeping in my bed and she is still there." Hearing their voice, Goldilocks wake up. She saw the three bears and screamed, "Help!" She ran out for the forest and never came back. Bye.